Welcome back sa ating Georgia game between JST and Augusta for the final. Basket. 5 na lang. 14-second shot clock. Layasan! Rebound! Mapupunta sa JST. Alvarez to Calizo. Bibigyan kay Alvarez. Bang, bang. Tatlo na na, 57-54 for the final! Ito na to, panimbang na may amot. 10-second shot clock. Last go, 5. Rebound, yan, mapupunta sa JST. Alvarez to Calizo. Binigay kay Alvarez. And here's Maestre. Oh! Timeout, Nagustan. Agad-agad ang timeout ang Nagustan. Dahil sa malang ang kanilang kalamangan sa JST. SK Pampang, we'll be right back after our break. Canduleta, time is up. Layasan to Manica. Layasan now. Canduleta to Manica. Whoa, basket chance. Is it again? Soriano, binigay kay Calizo. Calizo! Bang! Woo! What a nice game. Lamang ng JST, but that is only 1 point. And it's now Calizo to Layasan. 37 shot clock. Layasan, 10 seconds to shoot. Canduleta, binigay to Layasan. 5 seconds. What a nice game between JST and Nagustan. 14 seconds. Binigay kay Maestre. Bang! Okay, deadlock on 16, chance, not JST. Where is the Calizo? We have it foul. Nice foul. That was 2, got a foul. Baston, that is your 4th personal foul, Baston. Substitution. Tolosa in, Bastion out. 7 minutes and 4 seconds na our remaining time. Our score is all 60. Grabe na ito. Basket. 61. Last. Chepo Calizo. Rebound, isa lang na pasok ni Calizo. 7 minutes is the remaining time. 61-60. Ball possession for Nagustan. Nilakias! Yes! 63-61. Alvarez. Shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. 4-3! Tres! Grabe, umuulan ng tres sa gabing ito between Nagustan and JST. 14 seconds shot clock, tres! Rebound by Maestre. There's no Alvarez. 18 seconds. This is the remaining time. This is the shot clock. Remaining time. And the shot clock is 18 64-63 is our score. 14-second shot clock. There's no Alvarez to win. Foul number 3. Foul number 3. Tolosa. Third personal foul, Tolosa. Second team fouls of Negustan. Shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. JST, 14 seconds to shoot. Ang init ng gabing ito. Grabe, Rosales. 10 seconds. Ay, 63-64. De La Cruz. Oh, Tolosa, nabitawan. Chance, JST. Alvarez! Ay, we have a foul. Number 9, De La Cruz. Third personal foul, De La Cruz substitution. We have a substitution, Apolinario. 3 team fouls, Negustan. 3 team fouls. 5 minutes, 31 seconds remaining time. 2 free throws, Alvarez. Isa lang ang inyong laman. Basket. 65. Last Alvarez. Basket. 3 points ang lamang ng JST. Pero meron pa tayo 5 minutes and 28 seconds remaining time. 14-second shot clock, Apolinario. Tolosa. 10 seconds to shoot. Apolinario. Last ball, 5 seconds. Manigan. Basket counted. Counted basket. Okay, counted ang ating basket for Negustan. 65-66. 5 minutes remaining time. Oh, I'm curious. 10-second shot clock. Rebound by Manigan. Chance Apolinario. There we foul. Number 5. Number 5 is Basista, first personal foul. First team foul, JST. 2 free throws. Basket. Deadlock, all 66. Isa pa, Apolinario. Oh! Up shot ng lang. Okay. 67-66. Maestro to Soriano. 14-second shot clock. Maestro, 10 seconds. We're foul. Foul number 3, Tolosa. 4th personal foul. Warning for penalty, Negustan. Tolosa, 4th personal foul. Warning for penalty. 14 second shot clock, JST. Again. Oh! There's now chance to Maestre. Gone. 68, 67. Four minutes remaining time. Ten seconds to shoot. Last goal, 5 seconds. There you go. Chance of JST. There is now the sister traveling. Nako. Sakit ang laban na nagustuhan at ng JST. Plenario, 14 second shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Tolosa. Foul number 9. Soriano, second personal foul. And 2 team fouls. Tolosa, 2 free throws. Hindi pa pumasok kung saan kailangan kita. Kailangan kita. Last, Tolosa. 3 minutes, 13 seconds. Remaining time. Chance. We have a foul. 27. 17. Penalty. 17. Layasan, second personal foul. Penalty. Ano ba yan? Kailangan ang shoot. Kailangan kang ma-shoot. Isa lang yung laman, JST. Okay. 69-67, 3 minutes and 8 seconds remaining time. Favorite number ni Buracho, lumabas naman. 14 second shot clock. 8 seconds. Foul. Penalty. Sino foul ref? Number 3. Tolosa. 5 fouls. Tolosa. 2 minutes penalty. 2 minutes dito. Bajo. Ay! Ano ba yan? Kung kailangan ng mga free throw, saka naman lumalabas. At hindi nagkakaroon ng chance. Basket. Isang tres lang. Isang tres lang yan. Damanican, Layasan, De La Cruz, Bastian, 8 second shot clock. Last ball, 5 seconds. Second shot clock violation. Ball and air, JST. 2 minutes and 28 seconds remaining time. Nang puno ang Araneta Coliseum. Is now Calizo. 14 second shot clock. Here is 8 seconds. Rebound. Time out, Nagustan. 2 minutes and 7 seconds remaining time. 72-67 is our score. Apat lamang na JST. Okay, ito na ang last 2 minutes. Foul number 11. Caliso, that is your first personal foul and 3 team fouls of the JST. Is that 2 minutes? Ayaw ba? Basket. 68-72. The Girls last 1 minute 59 seconds remaining time. Substitution. Tatlo lang ang inyong lamang JST. Ingatan ang inyong sarili. 14-second shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Soriano, binigay Caliso. Last ball, 5 seconds. Bola na substitution. Bola na Nagustan. Substitution ng JST. Eto na. Layasan, Tumangitay. It is now 14-second shot clock. 3 points. JST. Jones on 72. Tig-isang time out na natitira. Maestre. Bajong. Tira Alvarez. 10 seconds to shoot. Ow! Same ball. 5 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. JST 5 seconds. 1, 2 o'clock. 5 seconds. And here we go. Last 1 minute. 14-second shot clock. Layasan. 10 seconds to shoot. Leonardo. Last ball foul. 1 second. Isang segundo lang. 1 second, Nagustan. Alert, JKN. Stop. Go, 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 Alvarez. 2. What a diving foul that we have. Foul number 2. 5 fouls. Number 2, Bastian. 5 fouls. Ako, iba na siya. 74-72. Dalawa lang ang iyong kalaman. Maestre, nasa sa iyong kamay. Alert. Basket. Time out, Nagustan. Last time out, Nagustan. Last time out, Nagustan. JST, meron pa kayong isang time out na natitira. 37 seconds remaining time, 75 seconds. 7-2 is on the score. And that is a 3-point lead of the team JST. SK Pampang 2026 will be right back after the break. Naku, eto na to, De La Cruz. Time to start. 10-second shot clock. De La Cruz. There's now 5 seconds. Tina Bastion! Foul! Layasan, get a foul. Sino foul? 17. Layasan. Third personal foul, Layasan. No more timeout na gusta. JST, may isa pang timeout. Yes. Penalty, 2 free throws. Apat. Isa pa. Only last 15 seconds. Boston! Last 8 seconds. Foul, Apolinario. Apolinario. Okay. That's when there, nag-concede na ang team Nagustan. Tanggap nila kanilang pagkatalo. Congratulations, JST Stylus! You will still move on to the semi-final rounds. Only here with the SK Pampang 2026 return for tomorrow. Next game, the Insan and the Young Ballers are the junior division. February 25, huwag kalimutan, may